maka odi panadi odi tube iza ngepeni imagine if abo Walter Sisulu, abo Winnie Mandela, abo Mandela, abo Gwe bona laba abo Gwede ngizobabala abo batho ba leli ihlo le ukuthi mayila iyakwazi ukubona ngada next door uTokyo Segwala abo Tokyo Segwala imagine if but decide ukuthi bona mnyeke baleli South Africa bayahamba bona imagine abomkhulu bethu ngalesa sikhathi abomama bethu ba decide ukuthi bona bayahamba bayoba ama foreigner somewhere ngabe South Africa ngabe ngalunganga. Yes, not apologize. Maka apologize kuba babheni ukuthi umthukile babheni umdala nakungizwe. Izada we are angry how or kanjani papa bheni umdala nakungizwe. Ungizwe makahamba yo apologize kulo yababa ukuthi I'm sorry for ukubiza ngenkamba zonke lento lezi. Kuphele lapho. Lo yena lo makabuyele ekhaya.
Is the apology accepted?
Oh. But because of our government, let's stop fighting them. Mina, what I can tell you, fighting them is useless.
Yeah.
Very useless. Let's fight this government so that the government will fight them. We understand? Thina silo nombuso wethu sikhiphelele lo doti lo umphumulo omkhulu bathu ranko. Kunamanye ama countries yakhoka wavumelanga ukuthi strike futhi ngathi Zimbabwe they are not allowed to boycott inyakho. Hey, strike bathu balapha mo strike and strike lengi. Nakia, nikikiti. Yep.
Oh, plake lang. Okay. Ay, yung mga lapelo, ewan.
Mina ngithi ngiyi-one bandakanye kubani.
Amash. Kosi yami.
Yo, siyanikhohlwa sibali. Khohle. Wena uyakhohlwa.
Nemesh.
Washibona.
My God.
Ukurivele. Khona ukurivala.
Ya, kuribala.
Yeah.
Unrivele.
Ikurivele bot. Bile mriveleni, ke mrivelesi.
Mrivele. Hallelujah.
Yeah. Sundown Toyaka. Siyakhala manje ngo-9. Siyawina manje ngo-9.
Oh, so you win.
Hey.
Awu. Udlala nani?
Athi yini na? Esperanza. Esperanza.
Oh, Esperanza.
Yeah, he's a caref. Akusama team nyana wala. Asikali thina ama team nyana wala. Hangana sense.
Nidlala phesheya.
Yeah,
Abantu baphesheya.
Siyatravel.
Mamesha.
Fere aye, bafethu. Welcome back bafethu njengomgogodlo. We are back bafethu, just like not your father. We are here. Yazi bafethu, this is your host ke ayeyena kana la madiam nna msepili khaitsa mapula na masakhe chepis kana na boy ke mokale pheko se se go nka ga se ke shaka nna ngwana tja khala ka modide matepe sam tja ki ke mo ramphela la makka go sekolong sa mejele mogale ya da ka tshaba ditike na ba ke compana kwa
Ai. Bamakweru.
yeah
Imfana n'wina nakambe.
yeah
Imakuru n'wina nakambe. This is your boy Nzamba. Mayambala Nzumba Xidzuvani.
yeah
manyika imbita xi chava ku phama xiduvani marhaka ya xona vamakwerhu this is your boy matiming indoda oyibiza namhla ayifika izolo umali mindima angacedi hayi
Yeah,
injani
awasha.
injani
Sinzumba,
Yeah.
sinzumba imarahwa so. Washibona.
xidzuwani marhaka ya xona
Sinzumba imarahwa so iwohwa.
ya imun'wanati u swi twile mutsi
Loko nga xivonanga nga ni xitevi.
awaxo
Yes, bafethu. Yes, since we are still from African Breeze, bafethu. So I'm still selling the same house that I was still selling last week, bafethu, which is RTP house, bafethu, 2-bedroom house from Calfontaine, bafethu. Lena is best for my investors because because this house bafethu is consists of 2-bedroom RTP house for sale in Calfontaine. It's perfect for investors, those who are looking for rentals or income, family income bafethu. So this property offers very nice monthly income. 2-bedroom and also a bathroom, toilet, mini kitchen, dining room, and it also has 6 outside rooms bafethu. Outside rooms also has a wall. The wall is also gated. It also has parking space and a prime location near public transport, school and shopping centers bafethu. So yeah, bafethu, if you want to purchase the house bafethu, the house is only 600 it's 650,000 bafethu. So if you want to purchase the house bafethu, call your agent, which is me Lifato Bejane bafethu, at 067 000 7870 bafethu. Yeah. Fere uthi
Abash.
kwamba.
sweet ngingabuza wena unjani wena mngani wami how are you doing how are you feeling how is you
Mina ngisharp.
Wena usharp.
Yeah. Since bafethu ningaboni the princesses of the podcast bafethu, the beautiful ladies that we are hosting with bafethu. Niyazi mabangekho niyazi ukuthi obvious ba busy, their schedule is not bathini. Their schedule is tight
tight.
bafethu, so they won't be able to make it to the episode. So ukuthi singashoot ngcono sinishutele yabona sinishutele thina so kunako, and then we will continue with them next week bafethu. Yeah.
yeah the topic I have like it's oh hayi ngibanga angithi wasathi
Wele camera lo ngayibekele la kuwena. Camera yakho akuna camera mina.
yeah yo
Yeah. Traffic ababambe la. I told you. And then this
Okay.
is George bafethu. Ngibiza uGeorge. Bambiza uGeorge. Yeah. You'll never understand.
it make me
There is a
understand
story about this football.
okay.
Not football, but this ball.
Paul, what's the story behind this one
The story behind this ball, I was given this ball. I don't know if I will say she's my life coach or my therapist or something like that. When I was hurt, she gave me this ball.
your mentors or
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
She gave me this ball and then say, go take your pain out through this on this ball. When told, uyibona kanje, this was the pain I was feeling. And then what the day you're gonna love it, that's the day you will be healed. And the day I started loving it is the day I named it George. Yeah.
So if I know it might be personal somehow, but if you don't mind me asking,
Yeah.
how do you you said your pain you are
Yeah, I was taking my pain.
out of this
Yeah.
how did you take out
Like ngishayele phansi, sometimes ngibona something nestina like
Yeah.
yabona ukuthi kanjani
or
exactly
instead of taking your anger and issues to someone,
someone
or
or uphula ama window
Yeah,
or ngenza
yeah.
tattoo oyibona.
I I get it. What I have it's like allegedly so.
Yeah.
The-
Uqala ngalejik.
Yeah, allegedly so. It's for sure it's not out there publicly, you know. So yeah, I want to know your people's suggestion and your suggestion. What do you think?
On what?
Like Ukhozi FM. I heard rumors saying Ukhozi FM is shutting down or izovalwa. So I want to know. I want to hear people perspectives. What do they think about that? What do they say about that? The big Ukhozi FM is closing. Like Ukhozi FM is big, bra. Like
we know it's a big platform on radio like YFM, like YFM sasakhona yena like bathini khaya.
Yeah, Khaya FM. Yeah, it's a number 1 radio station in Africa. Like obvious namazulu noma uza kuphi usuka kuphi na kuphi language ofika uyicavela egolini isizulu obvious uzomamela ini Ukhozi FM izinto ezikanjalo. So I want to know what do you guys
but
think?
What is the reasons of it closing?
Nah, I haven't heard what is the reason of it.
Bavele babhala nje bathi Ukhozi FM will be closing soon.
Nah, I heard that's why it's not there publicly. Yabona I heard ngibone somewhere
la uyibone somewhere khona babhale
Ukhozi FM aluvalwe. So uthini ngalo vulelo wena ezomlaleli noma umlandeli Ukhozi
bathi liyavalwa or bathi aluvalwe
aluvalwe.
manje ngisho ukuthi maybe lo muntu lo muzi maybe partition abayisayina la ukuthi maybe bayenze something wrong bafuna ukuba cancela bona. Mina I thought ukuthi iyawa phela kusho ukuthi iyavala iyawa.
Not ukuthi iyawa kuwaphu no.
Some Ukhozi comment into lezo wrong. So manje lana phela kumele sazi ukuthi bathi mayivale wena uthini. Simele sazi ukuthi mayivale for inthini. Bona bayikhona ireason abayazi thina ayikho.
No, inkinga le follow up mina ngithole sekudala mase ngena kulento yakhona ngithola. So angisazwanga ukuthi what's the reason behind all that yangithola. So I was thinking ukuthi no matter how the matter it is and what do people think out there ukuthi if Ukhozi FM can shut, like what will happen yangithola. Nakhona if Ukhozi FM can shut, lot of job opportunities can be lost. Like abantu emakhaya le bo KZN KwaZulu Natal balala le rest wangingisa balala le radio. Some they don't have TV or social media phones, technology it ngiyangithola. So balalele lapha ama artists abanye bacale lapha like abo high abe maskandi bathi ubani Kuzen Kelis. I'm sorry to pronounce it wrong. Yeah, ihashe limhlophe. Bacale lapha noma yeah bacale lapha ku Ukhozi FM nabo bangena lapha by showcase ilentuzane uyingoma zabo izinto ezikanjalo yangithola. So a lot of job opportunities can be lost. Presenters like in a cultural like Ukhozi FM it provide nelentuzane. It's like it's edutainment and infotainment.
Yes, nyakuzwa ne.
Yeah.
What surprises me is that ukuthi you did a research about Ukhozi FM, you know, even ukuthi is cultural what and then what mara wenza research ukuthi why should it be closed, because lana it's good what you are saying. It's true ukuthi abantu they will lose their job vele, and then it's cultural what people in rural areas they don't have TVs, technology wise they listen to radio Ukhozi FM what they hear ama special ukuthi Shoprite kunani special through radio into ezikanjalo. But into esifunayo la, because mina I can't comment on something that I don't know what's going on. Phela la istatement city Ukhozi mawuvalwe, effects and love mayivalwe wena uthini. What are if we can get those reasons ukuthi why bavale, then we can comment ukuthi if nithi nabakhanselwe ngenxa ukuthi batheni if they did something baropa umuntu ngama-sama what and then baropa umuntu ngama-award then iyangithola wangayenzanga i-research ngale nto leyo ukuthi why kwamele ivalwe ama-comment athini
as ngishilo ukuthi lento is not public ifana nokuthi lento le ngiyithole one of my sources ngayibeka kanjani
uyithole one of your sources
Yeah.
let me tell you something a source can send you information that is not ngathini ingaphelelanga
okay
isource kumele uyayi podcast ngikufundisa nokuthi uthole information uyayi podcast you can't come with the information that is leaking on a podcast bese sithi sifuna ukucomment ngayo so comment ngayo kanjani if information futhi le is not leaking ayikho le information because it's only a title that we don't know the reasons behind those titles so I understand bokumele umbuze if it was saying Ukhozi FM iyavalwa what do you think about that lapho bezizothi bezizokhomenta but lana ithi Ukhozi mawuvalwe kusho khona ukuthi behind mawu kunento abayenzile understand lento engikhulumayo so masazi reason ukuthi bayenzeni kuze sikwazi ukukhomenta kulento lokuthi iyavalwa or ayivalwa na understand
okay
because manje kunzima ukukhomenta yona is good vele I don't believe nokuthi bangakhona ukuthi bavale like a big station like Ukhozi if bafuna ukuvala bazoyenzana bazekukulalela and then bayolalela bani
I don't know
kunenye radio station enkulu eNatal Ukhozi asazi
I don't know
uyayithola so next week isayifuna le information leso siyakho
you won't get that information angithi you don't like you don't understand my statement ufuna ngize ngikhiphe ukuthi lento le ngiyithathephi exactly
no isource wena ungitholi ma timing awungitholi ukuthi statement sami sithini and uthi mina angitholi ititle ngiyathola ititle yakho as-proceed le source yakho le iyakunika information ephelele next week isitshela ukuthi Ukhozi mawuvalwe wena uthini mawuvalwe for ini Ukhozi wenzeni Ukhozi uze uvalwe is it company falling because of his lacking of money is it company falling because of umnikazi wawo ulala nabantu bakhona is it company falling why ukumele uvalwe because lana nyeke sikhomeni sithi Ukhozi okay mawuvalwe ke uvalelwane okay mawungavalwa ke Ukhozi why ungavalwa understand lento engiyikhulumayo
ngiya understand ngiyithola ngiya understand lento engikhulumayo apology for coming with half information next time I'll come with full information
yeah
thank you so what do you have
I have bathu bani kunje lentombazana le from Botswana abayisayinela i-petition bathi she committed suicide but people are saying she didn't commit suicide because of bathi nama-postmortem awabuya athi she was sexually abused but she was sexually abused from mphambili nasemuva
jo
la ithi justice for Tshepi ithi remembering Rio Tshepile Setso Tshepi Chedu, a vibrant 18-year-old with dreams and bright future. Her life was tragically cut short after the abuse she endured. Tshepi loved her books and she loved watching soapies with her aunties. She dreamed of becoming a doctor. One day, as she excelled in her studies and got straight A's and awards. Nice dresses, usually she was the one who would choose themselves. Na moya le go bala ka Setswana. O ne a rata batho tota. Mo di shopong always had something for cashiers. She liked sharing such that o ne a kgona go abela ditsala tsa gagwe mopako. Oh. It's not time to make jokes. She liked sweets, ice creams, crushes, yogurts, and takeaways food.
Mopako or mopako?
Mopako, ka Setswana ke mopako. That's why there is no time to make jokes. Umntana oshonile. But nabo bayibeke kahle isitswana nasawa bani. Ngikuphi? Oh. o ne a sa batle go ja selo a se thomaganyetse. O ne a rata go bereka tota, a le tlhaga, a na le energy e ntsi, a rata go tshega. O ne a nna a tshega hela a na le nna, a rata bo clean, a rata phone a le botlhale by her dad. Despite what? And then more. Despite challenges, she was a bright and caring soul who touched many lives. Tshepi's life was tragically cut short in 17 May 2025 after suffering 2025 after suffering sexually, leading to her ultimately death after the abuse sadly took to her own life. During last days before her demise, she wanted to go and stay with her father and never wanted to stay with her mother anymore. She asked her father to buy her phone because she said her mother refused to let her talk to her father freely. Her father sent her mother some money to buy her a phone, but she never bought her a phone. Her memory deserves justice, support for victims of abuse. Let's make her memory count. Let's stand with Tshepi's family and demand justice, support victims of abuse, and work towards safe community at all girls. What should I talk?
Who raped one?
So
Who
lana
raped her?
phela ama video lawo ekonjemele ngiconnect.
Abari ngwana go ithetswe a na dirisi.
Unyuku bezobani ngocansi?
We're not sure. So kahle kahle mara kuya ngumphakathi la kusho ukuthi ufada.
Father.
Uthola ukuthi lo step daughter lesi, step dad I mean.
Esimhlukumeze ngocansi.
Esimhlukumeze ngocansi. Because why first of all umntwana will she say I don't want to stay with my mother anymore. I want to go and stay with my father. She told her dad, buy me a phone because my mother don't want me to talk to you freely. Why angafuni ukuthi lo mntwana akhulume nobabakhe freely futhi?
You are confusing me.
Yazi kanjani? Kusho ukuthi lana mina the way according to my own perspective ne.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthi lana kwenzakalana. Le step dad lezi siripa lo mntwana and lo mama lo uyazi.
Uyazi lo mama lo.
That's why angafuni ukuthi lo mntwana abe nefoni ukuthi angakwazi ukufonela ubabakhe. That's why angafuni ukuthi lo mntwana ayohlala nobabakhe.
Le step dad lesi sihlala sodwa.
Sihlala nabo angithi bayi2. Ukuhlala umama ngayini umntwana angithi ne step dad lesi and then ubaba kwalomntwana ohlala somewhere.
Ngale.
Ile singa le strateni sakho or Lake Station 2. You understand?
Yeah.
Ikanjalo. So le step dad lesi siripa lo mntwana lo. Lo mama lo uyazi. Ile nto lebingisayisha sinini ukuthi lo mama lo thula ukuthi uyazi kodwa kuna akafuni ukumbophisa akafuni kwenzani because uyazi ukuthi udemanda kule bar le.
But yeah, mara still lo muntu lo unobabakhe straight. Why amiyeka hlukumezeka kanje?
Uba angithi into engisho ukuthi lo mntana lo akakwazi ukusho ukuba ukuthi ngiyarage nyenzani because of akakhulumi freely kuba bakhe if ubaba kuyeza uzombona umama wakhe ubala kusho ukuthi lo mntana akakwazi ukubhayisa. That's why yatshela ubaba ukuthi baba ngithengele ifone kuze ngikwazi ukufonela. Ubaba wakhe athumela umama wakhe if imali ukuthi athengele umntana ifone umama wakhe ayidla le mali.
Hey. Uthe kuno video tu ufuna ukungikhomba.
Angazi lo khuluma la ukuthi ubani. Because I don't think she can be the mother law evil. What took me explaining what the doctor told them about Tshepi's postmortem.
Abari ngwana go ithetswe a na dirisiwa ka tsa thakano dikobo. Himena hage e supa gore sala ka e thubegile be ya hola na se tsa ntshitswe mosadi. Aba supa gore o na dirisiwa le ko maragong. Marago a gena a setse a leseka la teng le thubegile moneng le makaka se tsa itswela hela. A ke ke le hokole le siameng but na setse a itswela hela a sa kgone go a tshwara re ka gore e rile la mo tshwara mo mpeng e be bile a tswa e bile o ithetswana le malwetse a dikobo.
13-year-old
13-year-old standard 7
na santse a bala standard 7
na bala standard 7 o bala standard 7 ana ka gore ba mo repeatiste ra go na mo tsentse mo English medium mo ga borone ha ba mo tsaya ka December ba mo tseela ruri be le rora ga gona diphatha ba mo isetsa ha tase
gore a kgone gore a tsene go fihita
gore gore ne go na le phatha ha tase be ba mo tsenya gone ho na bala standard 7 ya rothela ra utwa ho be re tsamana re utule mme se tse re ga kgamaditswe ke note re bone go tebogilwe ke ngwana wa le standard 7 wa mosetsanyana
notora ha o ne go hunetswe teng mo mogaleng go tuikaleditse ka
yes
izinto la ngaphandle kubi. So what do you think vele can be done to reduce all these things, vele crime, rape, what do you think can be done?
I think like angazi man abomama man khulumani guys man. Don't just keep quiet just because of we are depending on this guy. Ukuthenga ukudla wenza yonke lento le. Guys, you can't just let someone abuse your child just because of ukuthengela isinkwa ukupha 6,000 every month. Hayi. Abakhulume labantu.
Nakhona I'm trying to picture all this thing ukuthi iyenzeka kanjani, like he end up raping her, like
like wena ubaba uthande lo mama then
so manje ubona umntana
mara we 13 years pho mfethu intanga zakho why if ufuna ukuchita ungachiti nentanga zakho ngaphandle
mfethu
amatata is cruel sometimes ngempela
cheating is cheating, but rape mfethu is something else.
awuzi mangithaka zibona intanga zakhe kahle lobu busathana lobu umuntu angayi fuck hayi
yes it's cruel. This is cruel. Yeah, cruel, so much cruel.
uyithola kanjani pleasure emntwaneni nakhona khala
ngoba ngeke uzothi umntana kwamela agcoke so agcoke se kusendlini lapha. That's why kwamela be comfortable khona.
uyeza lo muntu laba yasho bathi she was well dressed, so beautiful what ukuthi lo mntana lo umncane mfethu ukuthi angangathi ugcoka into ezincane ukuthi uyochaza amafana ngaphandle. You understand? Mabathi standard 7 sho ukuthi wenza grade 7 le Botswana. Angithi kuseBotswana benza ama standard. Akuna ma grade ngale. Washo William last ukuthi mina I don't have matric, I have standard 10. Yeah.
So standard 7 is grade
7. Standard 8 is grade 8. Standard 9 is grade 9. Standard 10 is grade 10. Standard 11 is grade 11.
Ngikubuza. Standard 1 kanti ayiqala ku grade 4 or grade 3 somewhere lapha.
La in South Africa. Futhi ayiqala ku grade 3, iqala ku grade 1.
4. I think it's 4.
Standard 2, grade 4 2. And then grade 3 get 3. Grade 4 yaba very big 4, yaba 5. And then wawa from 1, from 2, from 3, from 4, from 5. South Africa unless I start before my grade.
From 1 iqala ku
grade 8. From 1, from 2 grade 9. From 3. Swata.
Yo. But she was young.
Ngapha bathi lo mama lo before bayenza ama postmortem bathi angithi bathi bona bathe lo mntwana lo ucommit suicide. Bathi umphakathi wathi hayi asenzeni i postmortem senza nama test lo mama lo wala futhi not umphakathi babakho amampela wathi mina hayi angithembi ukuthi umntwana manga commit suicide ngicela senze nama test wathi mama khala.
So here lo mntana lo abamrepanga azibulala like ubulawe yiyo lento
kusho khona
that guy is a murderer madoda.
Cabanga lo mntana lo bathi uhlukumeze phambili nasemuva before mara lo mtshita bathi bangahleli
yo manje yo come on manje uthola umntana 9 months uzombukela bamenza lezi zinto lezi phambi kwakho nje without saying anything.
Mfethu le philo izile imali what?
How are you going to face that guy after all this thing after mhlambe i-funeral i-casket maseyehla ubone ukuthi umntana akho ushonile kamampela, how will you face that guy?
hey ndoda uyophila naye kanjani after this? What if after lo mntwana lo bekakudlisa ngaye sekashonile manje? What if manje uyakudampa lo muntu lo, because lo muntu lo bekamhlalisile sekavayile, you understand le nto engishoyo?
Kusho ukuthi beyangasathole ngale kumama.
Obvious ungeke uzorape umntwana ubuye uzodla umama, ndisho ukuthi ngale awusayithola ayisafunction the way manzi nte.
Yeah. Mara come on. This come on.
May his soul continue to rest in peace.
Abana abantwana beside lo mntwana ushonile bona like inale stepfather kanabantwana.
I don't think so, cause ngaba bamentionile la ukuthi abantwana bakhe baphila kanje. I don't think ukuthi unabanye abantwana beside lo, or yena maybe unabantwana ngaphandle lebarile, I don't know.
Mara this thing vele angazi ukuthi ngaceda, and there are people out there vele abayenza lento like umntana, even like example yabona lo mntana una 13 umntana akho second born lo uyathola ukuthi una 13 naye, or we first or we third, or umntana akho i1 nje ulingana naye lo muntu lo.
Angithi mara yena urape lo ungaso wakhe mdate wakhe. Hayi
bra lezi yo
awucabanga ukuthi what if enye indoda yenza lento lengiyenza enganeni yami
mfethu. But let's not bengifuna ukuyijustify, ngeke uyijustifyekile.
Uyijustify uthini?
Hayi justifyekile.
Mina ngathi angizwakali.
Sasemncane.
Uyangizwa ngathi ngeke.
Ya ngiyakuzwa.
Mina ngizizwa.
Khuluma.
Hayi. May his soul rest in peace.
Mash. Olale ngocolo. If it's him who raped you, ngicela ungamhemisi tu. Make his life miserable.
Yabona manje iqiniso phela usho lo nto le case lengathi ya 2025 as I was reading la. Yabo ukuthi khona maybe amaqiniso avela manje. Ukhona ukuthi uyaphenduka lo mntwana lapha ethuneni uyalwa.
Plus mhlawumbe abantu abakayi basebenzise one of the police or detective lo ukuthi unomdladla umsebenzi wakhe, uyazibuza ukuthi why le case le iso ivele yekwe kanjalo nje. Yenze
amaqiniso 2026 amaqiniso ayaphuma
bra.
President nawo bathi ama big 5 malema nabo bathi bageyama imali zama security kuphuphi kuningi.
Uthini wena kanti i-big 5 kanjani president?
I-big 5 ilabantu laba ile group leya efana naka Kate Makala. Kate Makala is one of the members of big 5. Ushilo Kate Makala kuyafana lento le mayizophuma, and then wonke abantu, a lot of people bazophuma nyeke nizemthembe na the president yethu abathi yona izoguculula izwe lethu ngemali izozibheka. Mina ngasho ngathi mina aniyazi ipolitiki nini. Umuntu onemali akacabangeli nina, ucabangela yena epocket yakhe. Noma ngaza ngine 10 million ngizofuna ukwenza enye 10 million, you understand? Ujwayele ibusiness lo muntu, ujwayele ukuzenzela yena.
Nkosi yami. Yes. Akubi straight. Yo sakhuluma ngalezi zamapolitiki. Did you see that video earlier Nigeria apologize?
Yeah.
Cela ukuzwisa le video ne. Connect. Ukuzwisa le video oyizwa wena ne.
Interesting ngoba uyabakhulumela wena uthi thina
Waiting for Perry.
No, ngiyabakhulumela. Mina ngikhulumela umuntu, angihambi ngepositivity nje kuphela, ngihamba ngenegative and positive. Angikhulumela umuntu mina. Hayi, ngikhulumela umuntu mina. Mina I'm not speaking for anyone.
Paired.
Mina listen to this guy, man. Please listen to this guy. He's apologizing.
Good day, South Africans, traditional leaders. My name is Chief Solomon Obona Eziko.
Why?
I would like to sincerely apologize.
angifuni ukuzisa
Good day,
something.
South Africans, traditional leaders. My name is Chief Solomon Obonna Eziko. I would like to sincerely apologize to Kunkani Jongolo Sandile, the Amakakagwe Osa Kingdom, the traditional leaders of South Africa, the people of Gompo, and all South Africans. I am sorry for the confusion and concern caused by the event that took place on 14th March 2026 in East London. I want to make it clear I was not crowned as a king. I am not a king. I do not claim to be a king. What happened on that day was only my appointment as a senior elder in the Igbo community in the Eastern Cape. I does not give me any authority as a king or traditional leader. I respect His Majesty Kunkani Jongolo Sandile Vrende, and I recognize his authority. I also respect all traditional leaders and the law of South Africa. It was never my intention to disrespect the people, the leadership, or the country of South Africa. I take full responsibility for the misunderstanding and I am truly sorry. I support all effort to restore peace, understanding, and unity. I humble ask for forgiveness. Everyone affected. Thank you.
Yeah. And then
Mongazwala ama-comment alezi. But he's apologizing, but still he's calling himself a chief. My name is Chief Solomon. But by the way, he apologized to South Africa for the misunderstanding of the whole thing.
misunderstanding. Lawyers jail. Uapologize abantu na amashangana ala namazulu manje ngenxa yakhe. Abantu bama-company imoto zichisile ngenxa yakhe. Khona nazo apologize manje. Kune civil war manje ezweni lethu ngenxa yakhe. Ekhose hoyi. Khona nazo apologize. Maka apologize kungizo no Papa Pain. Nalela shangana abalibulala le ngemistake.
Kule match yabongizo kunelento
allegedly so basho kanjalo bathi kunomuntu abambulele oyishangana wala eSouth Africa bambulele ngemistake so yabo ukuthi le muntu khosi into ezibhayi so uzo apologize as when we lost someone who is who is ours khona manje kuyaliwa kune civil war between amaZulu namashangana
but kungcono mina ngibona kungcono maka apologizile uzothi ngihamba nabo futhi ngiyazi mina ngibona kungcono ngoba apologizile ngoba like manje uthola ukuthi if banga apologize ngilento la bezo lentuzana still isa bakusaba nehoma
maka apologize
manje
hamba yoba chief lady
where you apologizing from
awuse East bathe use East London.
Yeah, but uyamuzwa na maka apologize ukuthi ucela like sibe imbumba sibe unit
yena nobani labantu baba unit ngale ma country na bayifixa ama country wabo
sure ipati yena maybe ubone lento le boyisho ukuthi like babulale one of South African members so axolisa abona ukuthi ngikhose
after I course uzocelisa after I uye from the start or uyicalelana lento le from the start angike mina ngifike kwakho mina ngifike ngithi mayana kokwamba la jikijima sengibona wena noStone ugwazana senyasho ngithi ngiyaxolisa mina bengasho ukuthi kokwami la ukuthi ngizozenza la bengisishole nje ukuthi mina chief lifa ngizohlala la kwakho ngizoncenga sengigwazene one ufile bengisekhoselana lento le from the start ngisazelani kini ngizoyikhoza le nto le.
But ezibosasho masinilini la ukuthi abantu like bafuna ifame ngezinto
Ungafuna ifame ezweni engaselakho uncengile. Yebo ukuthi ba comfortable abantu.
Eish.
Imagine if abo Walter Sisulu, abo Winnie Mandela, abo Mandela, abo Gwe bona laba abogwede ngizobabala abo batho baleli ihlo le ukuthi mayila iyakwazi ukubona ngala next door uTokyo Sigwala abo Tokyo Sigwala. Imagine if ba decide ukuthi bona mnyeke baloli South Africa bayahamba bona. Imagine abomkhulu bethu ngalesa sikhathi abomama bethu ba decide ukuthi bona bayahamba bayoba ama foreigner somewhere ngabe South Africa ngabe ngalunganga. So abamazwe ayilunga kanjani?
Eish.
If akunabantu ngale abalola lela lizwe. Angithi kumele kube nama strike, strike le government, sithi government ithi mayiphuma ubona abubani abayenzayo lento ngale.
I don't know.
Washibona.
But now I khulume ngathi Nigeria wonke irento zanwonke ingapha.
Mama kama ukuthi uyothola abantu wena manje. Ungarasi, asibahle. Ezimama kama ukuthi uyothola abantu wena manje. Labantu sebayesidlula ngenumbers ba. Labantu bona bangaba nebhawa bathina sihambe sizohamba.
Eish.
Akusana abantu ngale. Angithi nina nivakasha ngama December nibona ngathi kunabantu because nabo ngama December bamukile. Manje mafuna ukubona ukuthi akunabantu ngale manje kukanje. So ubani yo strike ngalathi government ethi mayiphuma uba uShangarai makaphuma ubani makaphuma ubani oyenza lento le.
But yeah, makubene ne unit man like kube embumba
Phakathi kwani?
kuwe South Africa.
Nani? Motho kube nembumba.
Ezoshila ukuthi mfethu abongizwe namashangane namapeli namayininizi.
Yayisho kahle ukuthi makube ne unit phakathi kwe civil war esinayo South Africa le war le yakangizwe no bathu bani no Papa Penny mayiphele le yawo sibonile ukuthi khose yini it was a mistake that was led by those Nigerians. So now ungizwe mina I so think ukuthi ungizwe must just apologize if he has not apologized because angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani manje ngale ndaba yabo. If he has not apologized maka apologize kuba Papa ukuthi umthukile Papa Penny umdala nakungizwe is either we are angry how or kanjani Papa Penny umdala nakungizwe ungizwe makahamba yo apologize kulo yababa ukuthi I'm sorry for ukubiza ngenkamba zonke lento lezi kuphele lapha. Lo yena lo makabiyele ekhaya lo nomsuzu lo washibona
yeah ngicela ukubuza question wona babuzile is the apology accepted?
Manje bana bathini bathi is accepted lapha.
Yabazi abantu kuma comment kudayini decline bona kwakho engathi yabona labantu labo ba comment la engathi like uwe u comment ngama account ahlukene lapha ngithola
abantu bakhathele sibala abantu bakhathele. These people are now being comfortable. They forget or they are visitors here.
Yeah,
you understand? It's because of our government. Let's stop fighting them. Mina, what I can tell you, fighting them is useless. Very useless. Let's fight this government so that the government will fight them. We understand? Thina silo nombuso wethu sikhiphelele lo dodu lo umpumulo omkhulu bathu ranko.
lento le ayicale lapha kulama system wethu algorithm
ngale. Exactly.
Yabona mama
thanda algorithm uyifundisa ubani? Hey, awu mentor for sure. And strong. Yeah.
Can I proceed?
I see algorithm.
So like it cost mina ngibona like icala la esystem yethu. If isystem yethu ingahamba grand like fana angisakhumbula ukuthi bengibukeleni last bakhuluma ngokuthi you want ngeke ungene eAmerica without ilentuzana izinto ezikanjalo.
Usathi America uyakude. Ngeke ungene eZimbabwe sibalungana right unganamaphepha ungana passport. I never because of the government yabo is too tight bathini lento ekhulumayo. But algorithm mani system yabo
algorithm system
angifuni legama lakho angithi algorithm ngifuna ukubisa ngesystem angithonolise somewhere so uyal praise manje saliqhabuka mina manje isystem
no yenze ngathi ngibiza each and every podcast engathi ngoba usithu ngilibiza legama namhlanje
podcast ay3
hayi kuba usithu
ngiyakutshela last podcast ushila algorithm kule kunenye podcast bukunabo lady dealer washa ngiyakutshela mkhokha mina
ubusithule podcast ngisho
ngizofuna ngithi
yeah ubuyisa uzobakhomba iqiniso yeah
asiya algorithm uthi
ubuza khuluma
manje vele masule ne system masule ne government ethi change le system yethu yonke le. We don't have problems with foreigners, as we said on last, whatever the podcast that we said. We have the problem with the way they're coming to our country, and then it's just okay with our government is that. For example, kuba nabantu abasuka bebasuka kuphi labantu laba bathi bayi 100 or bayi 10 na bathu kuyaliwe elizweni labo, and then they just basuka lapha
from outside to Lesotho. Yeah.
Bayi Lesotho.
Laba basusa ejele
hayi laba siyejela ngithi basuke baya eSwaziland basusa Trump kunalaba ke babaleke bavele babayenzela iplan yabo special ngazi kulapha bathi bayala or bayenza baletha ngapha eSouth Africa. President was not even aware of them ukuthi bayeza lana eSouth Africa wabona sebalenda airport sebabafunela ama state ukuthi phela nawo kwenza into kaya kunabantu laba bathi balendile ama refugees government ithi aba accept asazi ukuthi bayihlala phi labantu asazi ukuthi ama criminal record wabo bathini asazi ukuthi wona lama criminal raba obvious lawo babe America to Swaziland ngicabanga ukuthi bayohlala eSwaziland babheme intsango angeke zobashaya ukuthi bacabanga ukuze South Africa obvious sebala washama heights in transit manje ba rape ba wood ba rape
yabona mama kungalungise walento le
system
nabo njengoba like advice mina engingabapha yona ne ukuthi mabafika like ku ema country wabo balwise lento leyo yokuthola ama lento zana ama ID fast
bayenza ama passport
izinto ezikanjalo nabo balwe like babe nama institutions like
akuna country ngala institution akuna country ngala institution mawuthi babe nama institutions
sure ngisho like khona lekufana nala around thina angithi izikhala ngani la around Midrand isikhala ngama lento zana abo lento siyenza ukuthi azikho la around ngithola izinto ezikanjalo so ngisho kanjalo ukuthi nabo ama rural area wabo like nearby baba nezinto ezingabanceda
angithi kuze sibe nazo lento lesenzana sikhila ngithi asinazo senzana siya strike into bengisho ukuthi mina strike aboba no advice ukuthi baye back
baye bafika bayenze lezo zinto lezo balwise ukuthi bathole izinto fast so that babe namaphepha ukuthi angithi bayalazi ukuthi igoli linjani kanjani bayazi ukuthi amakhona wabo anjani kanjani so wena uyazi ukuthi mawuya ngale emakhaya uyenza amaphepha wakho kanjani wacedelela if uyabuya namaphepha wakho aphelele bayakuthatha if abakuthathi uyofuna nomsebenzi elentuzana ecountry yakho simple
if futhi bangaye country yabo ba fix at the way futhi ukhuluma ngakhona uyazi ukuthi some of them they won't even come back. For example, Zimbabwe people, they won't come back. Zimbabwe is so rich in diamond, bruh. Zimbabwe. I'm told it's so rich in diamond just because of le government leya isicabangela iyodwa ukuthi kumele kudle bona nabantwana babo nefamily yabo kumele kuvuke bona first into yenza bo Ramaphosa ngapha because bona bagugile kumele kuvuke bona first kuze kuvuke thina umphakathi. So mabangahamba balwise lento leyo obvious nabo country yabizwa ba good as it was. Zimbabwe it was good before.
Mina advise ngabapha
in Nigeria futhi laba ba west Nigerians Indians ba west
all the countries yabona like le apartheid ipengathi le apartheid le politic le elithola la ithatheni noyifaka le like lama ideas lokuthi nivula amalentuzane
kunamanye ama-countries yakhohlwa wavumelanga ukuthi astrike futhi ngathi Zimbabwe they are not allowed to boycott inyankhohlwa ustrike bathi balapha ama-strike nistrikele endlini ngiyakhiya nikhigate
this is not the thing to make a joke
akusijoke antinyakutshe wathi lapha nistrikele endlini nochisa iclinic or nochisa ibox ayisebenzi lapha
mukuzengo ukuthi no
ustrikele endlini khigate khiyumnyango khibhaki yeah house akaphumura
but okay so if they don't strike nayo government yakhona kwamele bafinde iway ukuthi ba-communicate nabo bathola ama-needs wabo angithi phela i-president is there for people's needs.
People are there for people, for president. And the president is there for people.
Yeah.
People are there for president.
Yazi manje mngani wamane mawubeke le mic yi buzwakala clearly.
Ngiyangitshela.
Ngicabanga ukuthi le mic mayilana la iyafana kahle.
Angithi ngokuza ukhala ngokungazizwa.
Hayi.
Bengithi mhlambe yeah. Okay, what were you saying?
Ngithi bosakhuluma ngama president people wena.
What people my people
understand
when ukuthi people my people like
ufaka statement zakho
okay yeah
abantu president yabo kulead abantu
yeah
abantu bokulead president.
I think mina they must find a way ukuthi like they communicate ne president yabo they communicate nabantu babo ngiyangithola ukuthi like how their needs how president was satisfied kanjani ama needs wabo.
Laba uzobuza bona mina ngazi thinathi saca kuyinkinga zethu
abanye abantu ngizobasola mabasuka
saca kuyizithu aborambo ngapha bakhe imali left and right athi abantu bakhe imali zamaye ikuruleni security 10 million every month, more than 10 million. So yabona saca kuyizithu
eish
akuna politician etru mina ngasho ngathi ngike ngivote lento lezi amasimba lezi siyadlalwa la siya controller nonsense
yes ngiyonizwa ngakuzwa zama
uyizile le bathini ngizothi antivirus mina bathi yeza la South Africa for HIV
antivirus
bathi like umjovo ukuthi uzojova lese uzojova and lo mjovo lo last for 6 months, after 6 months abuyela uyajova futhi mawujove lapho bathi awunokuhlaba kuphela kufana neyangithi manje bayenza ama prep. So ama prep abantu bakhala ngokuthi kufana nokuthi phela une HIV because uphuza amapills every day to avoid drinking pills every day. So manje bayenze umjovo ukuthi uyajova and then uzobuya futhi after 6 months ujova. Okay ka
ngicabanga ngami ufile
ucabanga inyama
no mawukhuluma ngomjovo so angithi mawukhuluma ngamalentuzana wazayo I heard ukuthi kuzoba ne-preventing abafana so bese ngithukiwe mokhuluma
leyasifuni yabona le yasifuni leyo bafuna ukusibuke wanapha umfana preventa wena bafuna ukusibulala labantu
but so lento le isebenza kanjani ujova 6 months then uhlaba after 6 months
uyajova after ukujova lapho uyahlaba
you
after
indulge
6 months
time
after 6 months uyahamba futhi uyajova vivie so lo mjovo last for 6 months after 6 months you go back and then uyajova
wena bawusebenzisa okay ngiyawuthola
ifana ne-prevention angithi le
sure bengisafuna ukuza lapho ukuthi basebenzisa as prevention amantombazane ufuna ungalo
Wayesebenzisa njalo.
Yeah, but it's a good medicine. Yeah, but I don't know if we can trust it 100%. ukuthi if you indulge immediately, you won't have infects.
They won't say immediately because even that thing prevention yamantombazana ama-pills or imjovo leya they tell you ukuthi you should wait for certain months or weeks ukuthi before ungashaya school.
Angithi kunabanye ba double prevention.
Hayi siphuma kulezo. Phuma kulezo.
Amadoda lawo bathi azodlala.
So uyakuthola so nayo obvious athola ukuthi bazakutshela ukuthi umaqeda ukujova ima for 2 weeks after 2 weeks then nyama nyami.
Ngiyakuthola but nayo ezingisathi ukuthi kunabanye abantu angithi ba double prevention. So nayo ngeke kube ilento leyo ukuthi ngayihlaba but after 3 months ngigcina or emagcineni ngigcina sengi-infected.
Angithi ngabaseza ngabantu bama prep.
Ha?
Ngabaseza ngabantu bama prep manje but ama preppers wa trust because of anje, you understand?
Sure, mina ngikhulumela le ukuthi like it's a good medicine if you can trust it. There are no
we
such...
do trust it. There's no such ukuthi ngeke si trust it because of their medicines before it that worked. You understand? Phela akusiya ama prep kuphela sebenzayo. Khona manje manga heavy sex nomuntu one HIV and then akutshela ukuthi une HIV, you can go to a clinic ubatshela ukuthi emergency uze uhave sex nomuntu one HIV. They will give you a pill bayibiza le pill zinc what izokuzinka wonke lagazi leli ukuthi vele like look prevent manje because akakachisi ube nayo lento le understand. Bese bathi kwabanani na yo ungakhohliwe lama pills labo kunenye doctor ekhuluma ngaku podcast lento le ungakhohliwe. So yabona ukuthi and then either ngeprep athi bayenza neprep manje ukuthi you can prevent it by drinking those pills. So abantu into abayikhalalayo ukuthini we can't prevent drinking pills every day by drinking pills every day. So babona ukuthi ngcono senze le eyani yomjovo. So ngale kusho ukuthi maybe because of nina yes so thola ukuthi bayenze according to my own perspective. Angithi nikhala ukuthi niphuze ipills every day. So bathatha lama pills ba calculate ukuthi labantu laba phuza lama prep every day, prep A1 every day, prep A1 every day, prep A1 every day ba calculate ukuthi out of imonth ayingake lamalanga bathatha lama prep lawa amalanga bawayenza indawana e1 bawafaka phakathi kwendaweni e1 bayi maceda bayifaka amanzi bayenza liquid bayifaka i-algorithm.
That's an overdose. Yeah.
Akusi overdose. Akusi. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi overdose kanjani because ngize ngithini bathatha leyo iphuza every day angithi. Iwena instead ukuthi iphuze every day bathathe kule number le iphuza every day.
Wonke.
Bawahlaba ngayi uyangithola. Bayenza bafaka lento zabo so ukuthi yona every day izofika la angithi bayahlaba for 6 months. So ukuthi lento le 6 months ihlala la. Lalela ngikutshela ihlala la angithi. So every day kuphuma wa.
Yeah. Let me you understand that if mhlambe kunesikhwama samapilisi la phakathi.
Sikhona.
Lawo mapilisi.
Kanti umuntu wamaphothe ikhanda uyaliphuza lento lela li mara liyaphola ikhanda. Likhandeni lephilisi.
No.
Intengisho.
Statements zakho bayasafana.
Ziyafana. Idepo iyafana nedepo lento le ngithikhala la. Bathi idepo rilo lento le amantombazana le.
Temporary.
Sure. Everything. Iphilisi ukuthi babonile ukuthi lo muntu lokuze aphuze every day ngcono silenze lesiyenze kayi1 sifake ngayi siyenze liquid simhlabe yona ikhalela ukuthi every day yena izo supply lento lekumele isupply every day or every day each and every day when she's having intercourse.
But tempo yohlukana nelentuzana ne-injection because tempo it's something which
kune prevention injections stupid without a tempo kune prevention injection kune prevention ama pills kune prevention ne-tempo.
Itempo but angithi masikhuluma ngetempo itempo enjani
itempo phela yangazi insimbi lento bayifaka ngani
kanti bayifaka ngani there's a difference between itempo and injection
bayifaka ngani itempo
but injection
Whoa,
ayifaka nge-injection
Okay.
angali but injani yona
In.
itempo
Ubuza mina.
uyayibona mangithi there is a difference between injection angithi maye mina ngifuna ukuza kule statement okhuluma kuso wona ufuna ukungiphikisa ukuthi it's not the same.
Mina ngisho ukuthi is the same. Ngithi mina ngikwenzela example ukuthi lento lengikhuluma ukuthi iyohlaba kayi1 and then yenze umsebenzi every day. Ngikwenzela example ngetempo ukuthi ihlala la nayo every day lo muntu lo maka intercourse iyaphuma yenze umsebenzi wayo ya preventa. So now every day iyohlala la every day ma intercourse iyophuma every day mayibona ukuthi hayi legazele lekho right liyophuma egijima ipreventa lakazi. Is example I'm giving is not ukuthi bayenze njalo sengiyakwenzela example.
Yeah, maye wona so yala ngithi mina besaheva leyo conversation wona uyangiphikisa ukuthi like mina bengisathi ukuthi itempo yona i1 is not the same nale injection le osho iyona yangithola that's why bengithi that will be overdose mawufaka leza zinto leza amapilisi wonke lapha ya yangithola ngithi is not the same ngoba itempo like it's something like
aseke itempo asikhiphe itempo phakathi kwalento le ngifuna le overdose le
i-overdose obvious aye mawungathatha ibhodlela lamaphilisi manje wawafaka wonke it's not the overdose mawaphosa
because of our balanga ngithi izile statement sami khama ukuthi sithini sometimes listening is a skill don't just ugijimela uargue before understanding statement sami sithini every day uphuza iphile e1 every day iphile say1 bathathela amalanga lawo wemonth la uphuza ngawo every day angithi calculate ukuthi if i75 ayingaka amalanga in a month
amalanga i31
if i31 so thatha lamaphilisi lawa i31 wonke so wafaka la ngithi as overdose asithathe lonke ibhodlela sithatha 31 la waphuzayo every month so wafaka la siyawa granda masicede kwa granda lalela sangithi ungajahela lalela masicede kwa granda so wathatha so wafaka phakathi kwento senze liquid angithi lento le bangathi lento bayenza mina ngitshela lento bengisho just futhi mina bengisijokela so ithatha sifaka phakathi kwe liquid angithi masifaka phakathi kwe liquid sithatha lento leya wena bokumele uyiphuze every day siyihaba kayi1 instead ukuthi wena uyiphuze every day yona every day izozenzela izozikhipha iyazi ukuthi ngo9 ngiyaphuma isikhathi sakahlamba sokuthi aphuze amaphilisi izenze umsebenzi wayo every day ngo9 enze umsebenzi so i-overdose kanjani
kanti lamaphilisi lawa i31 osho wona they abawafaki lapha at the same time
hayi soceda kudala cause dasangithi awusunderstand istatement
okay
bafaka at the same time kodwa ngitheni bazoyenza iplan yokuthi iyenze the way bophuza amaphilisi ngakhona every day nayo ize function the way izoba khona lana kodwa anyeke isebenze same time izosebenza every day each and every pill every day yona iyanyuka
I get it ngiyathola ngiya-understand
hawa is a new topic
have we heard ngale story lesi saselentuzana which that mother who was arguing a hospital without getting ilentuzana treatment like uye esibhedlela ayofuna i-treatment ahlala the whole day then mase bafuna ukumnceda bathi engeke sikhona ukukunceda you must come the following day that mother like he was making a scene at the hospital
wakuphi
it's a hospital yase konje bathi yakuphi
government
yeah it's
so lo mama lo uvukile ayumilayo
sorry
Lana ngomyezi loku yena sesizeni uphathweni ayisuka akekithenga wasingagogile noma ama-editeki system ubhale igama ngithi unknown sekuyisho kumele sibuye kusasa nesazi sihlalayo bathi isystem ayisebenza editeki umyeza bamsoli bayafonelana asudlala ngayo wasinokhipha ngalona kothi no why is system na-edit why is system so
yini system editor eclinic
system maybe sorry amafile ikuse-hospital lapha maybe file angithi hospital they can nase-clinic they can help you with that file
so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi angithi file like like ihlupha mose aqala ukuyivula but if already is there mangifika mangibagayi i-ID bayazi ukuthi ifile yami kubakhipha ifile and then baya proceed so ngilana ngifuna ukusho ukuthi lo is the first time
I think but even if it's not the first time there's a process where you like kunezinto kwamele uzenze maybe uzibhadale so that before uzofika ku-doctor. Angazi if uyangi-understanda na.
Ukuvula ifayile I understand isibhedlela imali. Uma ngibuya second time futhi kumele ngikhiphe imali.
No, not exactly. Sort of like amaphilisi or yeah, amaphilisi check up. Yeah.
Ekhaya. Labantu labathenga amaphilisi ku-government hospital.
Yeah, mfethu uyayibhatalele amaphilisi. Yeah.
Hey man.
Uyabhatalela.
So if ngesibhedlela manje and then they have to give me painkillers or amanye amaphilisi, I have to pay for those pills.
Yeah, but if you don't have, it's not a really must ukuthi ngeke sokuncede because you don't have money. They do help you, but if like fana maybe example abantu ba chronic, abantu abayithatha yangithola, so abantu yangithola izinto ezikanjalo. But if mhlambe wena ukhawathekile for a first time ukhawathekile, it's not really a must ukuthi wamele ubhadale.
Abantu be-chronic kuyize must ukuthi babhadale.
Inkinga yazi ngihlekani. Inyawona uyenza ngathi indlovu yami la
Ufuna uku-understand angicanga phela you know why ngibuza wena kanje. When I spended more days in hospital than I do, you know more information there than I do. That's why ngiba surprised ukuthi nithenga kanjani medicine in government hospital.
Yeah, like
cause you know why?
Yeah.
Someone told me nakhona ukuthi ama crashes you pay for crashes. Ngamanga mina thethe ukuthi they are for free.
No, nama wheelchair.
I-wheelchair nya mara nakhona for government maybe uthole for free.
Yeah, but angithi ku yazi ibuya phi lento le. Kuya ngokuthi do you work? Yangithola. Like do you work? If you work you can provide for yangithola.
If you work I think you can go to private instead of public.
Yeah,
if
but
let's say if you afford not to work,
yeah. Yabona but lapha kuya ngokuthi if you work yabona you must pay. Mara kunabanye bokuthi they like poor, they provide for them. Yangithola but uyabhadala ayeyi for check up. For check up uyabhadala, for amaphilisi uyabhadala.
No, kade ngithule ngikhathele. Hayi sokuba ngikhathele mina. Abeza bakhona vele nabemjobo ushonile. Ukube ngifuna besifundele ezomjoba abantu again. Oh, bazongqedela endlini.
Lo mama lo yena uyagula. Uyagula lo mama uphethwe yini? Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi akazenzani la esibhedlela. Phela ngabe egule benyeka bene energy engaka.
But kunalento leyo ukuthi like yazi injani. Nami nokungenza just ukuthi nginamahloni mina ngidakusuka umuntu ukuthi ngiyakhuluma yabona. Binalento lokuthi mhlambo ubone umuntu ogula worse lapha yangithola. So abanalento leyo ukuthi ngabe kuyimi lapha yayenzeka kimi lento leya or amzwele isono yangithola.
Anga.
So maybe she was standing up for someone or for her. Futhi not for someone, for her ngoba naye iyamnceda le sibedlele lesiya. Yangithola izinto ezikanjalo.
So lento leya la emathemisi hospital akusi la egoli kuphela nasemakhaya kukanje madoda. Phela iseDurban futhi not akusemakhaya eDurban.
Yeah. Mfethu everywhere. Yazi makenzekela igameko zase ikolweni nase-riding. Nasema-clinic nasema-hospital kanje like khumbule bathi there was abo lentuzana abo prophet but they were prophesying through music. Yangithola abo Lucky Dube wise, but they were they hence le ngoma yabo ukuthi there will be no schools anymore.
There will be no schools anymore. There will be no hospitals. All that there will be prison.
Na izinto ezenzekalayo manje. Ibhedlela angazi ukuthi singakhalila.
Maro like Dube beyangasho kanje phela they were talking about apartheid. You remember like abo Lucky Dube it was music of fighting for Elena not by not ngifuna kuyibiza nga-apartheid bayibizana intele man. Oh Lord. For apartheid.
Yeah, angazi ukuthi like singayapi to report this clean like lento yenzakale ilomo leta yenzakalanga lomo le nje phela there was a person I know like bebekagula serious bamjikise eklini khona la inkinga wolufuna kibe specific
Usabe mabaphume bakhiphe baqoshwe siyakhula siyale siyafa babhekile.
Yeah, there's a person I know bekagula serious ayesibhedlela bamtshela ukuthi futhi it was Monday. Yeah, Monday I think.
Wona lo ngidlulile.
Yeah, wona lo Monday bamtshela ukuthi hayi ngeke sikhona ukunceda fast function namhlanje uyakusasa.
Jo. Haba function kanjani ukukhuluma nami phela already bakhuluma nami nje ukuthi function ngeke la ebhekela bahlala ngathi la. Oshekuthina ama doctor mawuthona ba function. Waphela ama battery.
So like lento le like ngizibuza ukuthi like where can we report them? Ngoba vele like yasithembisa hospital. Ngiyazi ukuthi mawumone inkinga uya kuphi to report them. Yangithola. But here local clinics. Where do we go to report them?
Hospital.
Khona lapha phakathi lapha I forgot the name of the office. Like if mhlambe you didn't get the right service.
And then you think they follow up those things.
They did follow up. They nge operation yam like when I ngalesikhathi sangikhawathekile. Bekubuma 8 ngalenkathi. Ngafika ngahlala lapha maybe until about 3 ekseni bangichecka bangifaka ama X-ray bangitshela ukuthi asiboni next hambe endlini. I went home mangifika endlini ngafika ngalala mangivuka ekseni ngavuka ngichama igazi. Then immediately I was scared and my parents were scared as well. They bebacabanga nokungithatha kungisa edoctorini. Then the hospital called immediately.
No.
Ukuthi there was a patient here yesterday. Igama lakhe ubani nobani. How is he? Abathi abekho right in bathi mletheni immediately. When I get there bangade intuzana. Nga admit wasemtime ngancediwe.
Because of the complaint.
Nah. I was like mangiya lapha shuthi kunomuntu ocomplainile ukuthi udoctor lo akayenzanga umsebenzi right ngoba mangiya lapha ngiye kule office itela abantu abacomplainayo if you are a patient ucomplaina ngedoctor or ngenurse or ngestaff ukuthi asukenzelanga something grand or race ukutreat a bad uyakhona. There's an office there. If maybe a doctor did not treat you well or niphambane ngamagama you did not like his attitude or her attitude izinto ezikanjalo or treatment yakhe abayitreatanga grand abakutreatanga grand wena there is an office lapha eThembisa Hospital mawuceda ukungena mawuthi right khona la kune office la for patient for ama patient mawufuna ukureport I crisis yabo right there.
Oh,
yes.
Hey,
So I mean, I don't know what must be done with these hospitals nowadays. Masiva yenza lezinto lezi guy.
Ngoba
phela sesiyafa.
Ayifuna ukwenza next government.
Sesiyafa.
Ayikuthi ayibona.
Sesiyafa. Fi. Angathi bayakhohlwa ukuthi not everyone who has money obozoya kuma doctor and private clinics. No. Hey,
ngabathumela ama inspector lengabantu abaningi bacoshiwe siyabona ukuthi labantu abanandaba so
fit
ngabathumela ama inspector kufana namadayede bathi kufana nasesikolweni bathumela umuntu afika ahlale lapha as a patient afika abheke yonke movement abhale phansi aphuma ahambe abuye futhi next month bathumele omunye afika ahlale if labantu babuya nge-same report wazi ukuthi labantu laba kumele baxoshwe cause kunama CCTV kuzosho ukuthi lo azobonisa ukuthi lo muntu lo time afika la bokusebenza bobani why bayenza into ekanje nekanje so yabo ukuthi bathulile nje bona abanandaba ne-health abantu bethu uzoba ndaba ne-health umuntu kanjani udla imali ye-health udla 23 something million yeguli yoba nendaba nabo kanjani ama-hospital sokuthi aba-grand udla imali yakhona
engathi nabo umkhwanazi bangafikelela nala ey'bhedlele lana
ufikelile ngithi nangu unikhiphela ukhethe kantoni indaba kaMaganga commissioner uyi-understand ne ukhethe udla imali ethembisa hospital 300 and something million ethembisa hospital ngamajini wakhe ngamalamborghini
ya mina bese ngisho ukuthi engathi angafikelela kulezi ezusho ukuthi akhiphe nama-preventive investigators lapha kulamaphoyisa wakhe awathembayo ahambe la ey'bhedlele lana
ene phela thina siyakhohlwa enye into maybe siya-understand umkhwanazi makwala is not fighting for the whole world you must understand umkhwanazi commissioner bathini not bathini yo ngikhokhe ukuthi bayibizana yase-KZN not eGauteng angakhuluma lento la ekhulumile ukuthi ama-taxi driver angayenzini le ingayenzeka le kodwa la uthola ukuthi bathi lena awuvumelanga ngona ukuthi yena umngane wakho emsebenzini ngemoto because of ukhulumele le bathini ngikhokhe ukuthi bayibizane man hayi you understand so ezinye izinto angana that power angayenza yes kodwa uyenza la for iKZN thina la kumele sithole uwethu umuntu uthola ukuthi slim esinganandaba esigana nemali
lento le iyenza angithi umkhwanazi uyenza out of passion out of love ukuthi uyelove ithanda isipani sakhe manje lo ala ngithi yena uzoba ngathanda isipani sakhe uzoba
into ngisho
so thina
hayi
there's nothing we can do there's nothing we can say kanjalo nje
Thoma zivalo ibhegela
ukufa kwethu
yofa yini kunamasangoma nakhona mangafunda isangoma ikhona ZCC ubuya ungena ufa ubuya uphila ngiyakutshela mina akunanto bayikhulekayo le nale 8 nayo ukuthi yamkhula la yamdala just iyasaba ukuzireveal ozombulala abantu laba phela HIV yazi iboost economy do you know that lento lebe emfethi naniyakhala sokuceda nesikhathi ezinye izinto basikritela for bona labantu laba basa uTrump athe ukhatha bathi ini ilo i-cost yama ARVs ukuthi aze South Africa tazaye manje baza ngala solution lawo ukuthi manje siyipreventa kanjani le HIV le you understand baza ngama injection phela bayazi ukuthi if isihlaba lama injection laba obviously labantu laba angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani izo preventa more HIV you know why because of angithi let's say manje siyajova sonke siyiGalfontein laba banganayo we understand so lokho sala nabo laba banayo kodwa singayitholi so yabona ukuthi laba mabashona laba banayo the next coming generation they won't have it because of thina let's prevent angazi ukuthi understand
ngiyakuthola
tasayi manje baza ngalento lokupreventa because of le mali bayithola lapha from uTrump ayisezi ngapha manje sithole enye way ukuthi singaprevent abantu bethu because asanayo le mali you understand
so bayayimisa
exactly
yeah that's a good suggestion and solution into grand ukuthi bayimise HIV
bayakubonisa ukuthi hayi ukuthi bebahluleka kuyimisa kudala America kudala manje imali boya udirect HIV ukugre yabo ukuthi labantu labakudala vele bakhona mfethu kunama doctor around Cuba bathembile ukuthi ade akuna disease engabahlula usho ukuthi bangahlula mfethu bayafly bogwede mabagule umuntu akayi mawuthembisa hospital uyafly uye Cuba umfaka inhliziyo embi abuye
yeah that's why yazi bamfaka inhliziyo embi kanje that's why makabuya ngapha ngabe nandaba
ngoba niyazi ukuthi nemali ukuthi uyo Cuba ngithi maka odi panadi odi Cuba iza ngete
azivaleni mina mafethu ngiyasaba ukushawa angifuni ukwenza
Uyoshawa ubani?
politiki.
Sho ukuthi ukwete bangafika ngakushaya mawubhekile wavuma.
No,
Singamenzela uMasimba ugede angayicabanga le uthi angazala angizojika uzobuya nitshela.
Madoda, I hope like the guys help us find a way to prevent such things like masigule emakliniki kwamele sijike manje sibuye nokugula kwethu so kupha bani ngoba abantu esibathembile ama-doctor wethu ukuthi yibo abazosilekelela empilweni zethu so masekenzakala kaye siyokhalela kuphi siye kuphi
mara guys nama abantu bathi abantu baningi ngeke uvuke ngo4 week-clinic uphinde uphume ngo7 ungatholanga unqedo phezulu kwalokho 4 from to 7 nomuntu osebenzayo akawa sebeya kawa hambi lama hours lawo bathi udlana kusho ukuthi moyiclinic kumele uphathe imali lunch or kumele uphathe isikhathini because of uyohlalela ngalonga
kanjani naleyo mali wadifawunayo
wadifawuna leyo mali first of all uya lapha uyagula
hamba la iboni la uzoyibona lento oyishoyo
uya lapha uyagula mafika lapha phezulu kwalokugula lo uyabulawa indlala futhi hayi guys
ngeke usazi ukuthi ukugula noma indlala lena
exactly hayi asenzeni better guys asenzeni better you must know ukuthi usebenza ngabantu
amfethu
mawuchuza lo msebenzi leyo they told you ukuthi by doctor you are going to have patient you are going to work with people kodwa ke masona utholile lo msebenzi zinjandini manje ufuna la nithi sifuna umsebenzi asike next asinalutho mase utholile lo msebenzi yakho ukuthi uqala unganalutho la uza la uncenga khona manje so uyawathola lama 14,000 uzibona ungcono kulomuntu lo kwenzela ukuthi uyithola le 14,000 le patient le kumele uyincede ukuze uyithola le 14,000 uzibona ungcono kunayo fuck man nonsense
bathola 14,000
angiyenze example ngithi
kanti
ufuna Sasa wathola malini wala ngathi yazi
ayabuza angithi uyibiza
example ngivele ngithi 40,000 bebe bangababulala phela ukhe wabona uyenze example sithi maybe podcast yahola let's say isihola 50,000 ungathola ukuthi awuthola le 50,000 so mothola 3,000 ithi 2,000 mothola 1,000 ithi 500 mothola 500 ithi 100 rand ungavele utshela abantu ukuthi uthola malini
shibazokhama and guys yazi ngivala ngani mina community eKalfontein please guys sikhathi bani nami sengilate ukuyendlini manje bra kubi la ngaphandle la
kwenzakalani sitsheleni
sicela nizivaleleni endlini makuthi 7 sekulate kakhulu zivaleleni endlini manifuna ukuba
khuluma man
ya ngaba storyteller le
hayi awungeke wona namagama amaningi phezulu kwamagama eli1 angeke ube storyteller
into enzekile like ngizwe bathi ufake irizolo bambambe inkunzi ngo8 bathi ngokube ku28
to 80
kusasa uyabona ukuthi kusasa in fact to 8 bambambe inkunzi ufakira athi mangisizwa le story futhi naye engicocela isicoca kamnandi yazi kube ibonile engathi yiyo lamatsotsi lawa not exactly ukuthi yiyo like wabonile ukuthi beyethe catering
ubalo
angilazi igama la street lezi bekuyikhotani lezayi
not ikhotani sambila siyenze kwenzekele ngofakira silanda 1 hour 30 minutes la uyilentuzana bathathi imali badubula konje bathu bani yenyafada badubula isandla ngeke madoda i-custom it's a custom like lamatsotsi lawo like the way mayichaza ngakhona letsotsi bese bathukiwe bathatha uceda ukuthatha imali like bese zibaleka zishiya nemoto ngithola i1 yakhumbuza le wena ubaleka ushiya imoto ilale hayi yaba nervous yashaya ibullet ayibona engathi naye bonanga ukuthi shayile yavela yashaya ibullet athola leya yacova imoto yavala so community eKalfontein please be safe guys stay indoors maceda bathi and lock early asifuna ukukhuluma too much mabaceda bathini security
but exactly
mara zizinto
le kwamele
ama-fake.
siyi-state guys.
Angicinga siyasaba
serious.
ngithi bayayibhadala le mthetho kuzoba ngathi thathela umuntu isinkwe emlomeni mara ezinye izinto efake.
No, like nakhona kule state sakhe he doesn't have a arm, igun.
Ubani?
Una
Uyahamba mamithini khani.
eh,
Mina ungafakazi into ongayazi empilweni.
hawu
Ithi laba abahlala lapha abana arm. Nanyazi ukuthi wafakiri.
but uyabona
ngizoyenza research yami.
emlomeni wathi angihamba ama-arm ngithi ama meeting lo le negani.
Ubani? Laba lamakidini abanagani.
Yabona mina bengikhuluma ngayo.
So mangithi ama-security angikhulumi ngabo mina.
Okay.
Ibhadala
You
le
can-
security leyo uzobona
you
ukuthi
can-
abobani
you
abane
can
arm.
proceed.
Ufake ibhodi, inebhodi ye-security. Ufake ibhodi lapha. Faka abajaji kunebhodi. Ifana ne-ADT. Ucabanga ukuthi umuntu angafaka ibhodi wena ma uyi-ADT abantu mabathi igebengu efika ngetenkipiri. Ungathi nginya kubuza.
Manje angithi mina bengisakhuluma ngalabo wona
Abaphi? Mina mangithi ama-security nami bengasho lapha. So sine-security like Alfontein yokuthi iyapatrola every day. Angazi ukuthi wona wawuyiboni ivene epatrola every day lama ngikhuluma nge-security ucabanga abantu basegeyidini.
Akusama-security kanti bani?
Amajengelani la. Ngithi ngiyakutshela kune-difference between security namajengelani. Hey, uyahambe enze research. Security liyakubhadlaza. Manje uwe qho. Umajengelani yakushaya.
Yeah. Guys, please be safe.
And two poets ola bamngenelele naye ebusuku. Bavule eromini umuntu avula. Alight kusho ukuthi ukwazi ukuvula umnyango without a bag la light uthi lo muntu lazaba nesikhathi sokuthi abophele idrate egodweni ukuthi afakele la donsi iskhiye imagine.
Yo. Ma usifikele leso skhiye.
Akasifikelanga because uthi lo mama itenkumemezile before la uthi sifikela lesikhiye.
Aish, guys, please be safe. Akusekho me please nisiphathe kahle guys. Akusekho
But
safe.
mina I know ukuthi why enye one day iqiniso izovela. Hayi ezinye izinto azikhulu bazosibulala. Hey, asishayile le 30 minutes vele. Abazosibulala nyakutshela. Mara one day iqiniso nizovela. Asibaleni guys, sibeni safe. Thengeni ibhamu. Yeah. Thengani ibhamu ayikhwenye yabona naye.
Nebhamu ngentshela yodwa guys ngizothi nizivaleleni nibe safe.
Mabafika yes bayafika uvalile mpintshama.
Ngiyazi but nakhona uyazi ukuthi mfethu ilawyer la yethu injani
Ungangitsheli ngelo. Mina ngithenye ukutshele mina thina sangenelwa la. Silele kanje njengoba ukutshela ukuthi ibike resafe sangenela silele. Iphoyisa lathi lingena la iphoyisa lemthetho. Lathi madoda ninaspam sathi nathi nithini nasemgunyati asikho na.
Then bakuthole ngaleso spam somgunyathi.
Angithi uzoba uyibhara wazi usebenzisa labantu laba bakubhayisela lesibhamu lesi bakutshela ukuthi usebenzise njani. Yena lo muntu lokubuzile ukuthi nesemgunyati awunaso na uyotholela usibhamu semgunyati. Kunebhamu ukuthi imgunyati mara semthethweni inkinga ngeke uunderstand. Sangithi ezinye izinto akusize podcast ona sasemncane sazoba nemoto bazosokuthathela uzobona ukuthi isibhamu siyadingeka. Thathela imoto uphethe isibhamu uphethe okapa umuntu baphethe okapi bamkhomba ngesibhamu konje bokubane na uyazi thini ngikhohle okapi yami nesemthi ngiyazibuza ukuthi lo mjida bekazenzani kahle uthi bamkhombe ngesibhamu la mjida bathatha imoto bese uthi yazi imdebe ngikhohle okapi ebathi okapi yami erumini buzenzani ngokapi
mfethu mhlawumbe kazobokwazi
ile ntele nasema company bayakutshela uyisecurity uyimantshingelana ukuthi mabafika phela umatshingilana bese company nakusi abekho lapha ukuthi bona bazo prevent icrime. Yazi lento le. Balapha ukuthi icrime mayenzeka bona babiza amaphoyisa babiza emergency. Babize laba baphethe ama-arm. Ile nto le yilaba bala egedini. Dasengitshela ukuthi kune difference between security nemajingilana. Laba bala egedini into ukuthi makwenzeka something bakhwaze laba patrolayo. Laba patrola ngearm. We understand? Ngeke uthole like angazi ukuthi ngakubekela ngeke uthole ubani security la singababizi ngegama
hayi
ukuphatha amadonki B le tengipiri leyo ukuthusela wena unyawupesi mara bangiphethe isibhamu bayakutshela naseklasini uzoyenza security kumele uyenze bayakutshela naseklasini ukuthi uma uphethe isibhamu press ilela i-panic button uphuma usishafe ukuze bangakudubuli.
Ngiyabazi lavo mina kunemunye ongimaziyo ushaya security ngiyambiza ngegama.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngiyamazi naye. La kadlala ushaya isibhamu.
Uwenzani i-security hayi umantshengelana.
But security guys
Imantshengelana kune-security kunemantshengelana into engishoyo kunemantshengelana kune-security
guys
mantshengelane fontonora wena saseyintwana nye ku-understand tase ba re ke matšenkene a le fontonora because ke go tonora ka tonkepiri mara security ke go tubula wa gwa mpša.
My bakon okay, make me understand. If you don't make me understand, make those guys those are young like me, young like me, understand.
Into engisho uka-understand kanye ngoba ngiyakutshela ngithi security liphathe isibhamu imantshengelane uphathe tonkepiri umantshengelane umsebenzi wakho ukuthi abize security makabona igebengu siphethe ibhamu asichafe amele laba abaphethe ibhamu ama-security aze cause yena umsebenzi wakho bokubiza security makabona abaphethe isibhamu, you understand?
Understand.
So now uma esebenza isibhamu egaya ini i-right idonkipiri uyama lapha eminyango bafika lapha bathi hey hands down uya down nawo ngedonkipiri yakho kodwa nginceka ukuthi uphethe panic button yopanikela laba abaphethe ibhamu ukuze baze bazoresponda laba abaphethe ibhamu, you understand?
Mina into bengifuna
angingenzela ukuthi understand we boo asivalile
into bengifuna ukuyenza like is to respect umsebenzi abantu. That's why bengifeel ngathi I disrespecting them if
masithi matshengelana hayi nathi sinazi security tekisi security man.
Yeah, it's not a bad thing being a security.
It's not a bad thing bayahola ama security akuna security akhola kulingana nomuntu eShoprite manje
asithini bathenga nemoto asithini
Abobani?
Abobani bayahola imali ezigrand.
Isishingishile mathi bayahola kungidlula nabantu baseshoba i-security manje umuntu ohola less than 6,000 wazi ukuthi bayamropa. Is that a fly by night or lela security leyo akusi is not registered because maningi angekho registered. I-security manje company uhola 6, 7, 8, 9 ukhona umuntu osebenza eGautrain manje maphume without overtime i-basic yakhe is 11 with overtime yakhe yaphuma ngoma 15.
That's a great job.
You can so wena asali wabobani laba bathenga imoto.
You can buy yourself a house and a car.
Wabobani laba bathenga izindlu.
Asithini
security.
We inkinga yakho manje Frank waba.
Ufuna ukwazi singagaya abantu i-security imsebenzi right. Mara sifuna ukwazi ukuthi abobani laba bathenga indlu.
No, people azingishila ekuqaleni someone I know nami ngiyazi ukuthi
indlu pho. Indlu.
Yeah, you can buy yourself. Mfethu angithi kuya ngokuthi wena how do you maintain yourself? How do you maintain that man abagaya yona ngithola uyithola isalary yakho ngithola. So if wena imali yakho ngithola, you can buy yourself a house and car and whatever and support your family nicely.
Indlu. Ngithi ngizoku-educate masivala la. Guy ungapha abantu wrong information mara uthi asithi we pura
hayi bu
yini manje
wena ufunani la ngalesikhathi
wena ungathi ufunani la ngalesikhathi indlu yami le wena ufuna ukuthola bani le
isipani kuhamba
Fethu kunzima
vela yikho into easy kunzima more especially for abamadala boringana yini so
yazi ngakhuluma lento yabamadala mfethu ngihamba ngithi ngiyofuna isipani ngima namajita la ufuna isipani emakhoneni yabo soqhamuka enye ivan hayi ngamlale isithathe si3 ngijump evenini ngabe ngiyosipana izinto zibe right the next day ngicabanga ukuthi lengami lizobuya ayisabuyi but uqhamuka enye ivan imiqhamuka elengami lami efika engithi ngiyajump athi hayi I'm looking for young people yini uhlekani
angihleki mfana hayi ngamlale yasibona kuringitiki bamadala bamdende kula bekati ntolanya leti ntsanana leti amari na mina vele ni nga teka ntwana ni nge teki madala gugile wo ringana na wena.
Zenze ngathi uyintwana encane iyouth endala.
Hey, Charles. Hayi bu. Afita so ka raro bone.
Akwa ke le bone le nna ke jaile.
Serious?
Re busy banna. Ke jaile.
It's like a scars. King right?
O ra re ke scars.
Yeah.
Ene the mo ke le scars. Ke the mo ke bang beautiful. A o na re busy ponka.
Man.
Na re busy wena.
Ivan. Yanong
Awa, ska tlosa bolelenga. E reng ke sepele ke tabaka latelwa ke kitimela go mmerekong kwa. Na re busy ngwana sho.
banna.
Uyambona uDaki urholile yabona? Ya yasixhomela.